It's Abby, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to do the PETIT VOUR box. I totally forgot to zoom in. The PETIT VOUR box for June. So I just uploaded May because I filmed that when I first got the box, and then I got behind and didn't post it until recently. So I didn't get a chance to even test any of that stuff out. This is the first time I've worn makeup in a long time. So let's just go ahead and get into the June box. So the little card that came in, it was like that. And the first thing that was on top, I actually got 5 products this month. Usually you only get 4. Maybe? Is that right? I think it's usually 4. So this one is the Vermont Perfumery perfume in Serena. I don't know how to say it. And I read the notes off and I do not know. I've never heard of any of them. I'm horrible with perfume. It's really hard to find a vegan and cruelty-free perfume, but I don't use them. I only use like the Pacifica body spray occasionally. So, and I smelled of this. I was not a fan. So yeah, I'm not a perfume kind of person, so I'm not going to give my thoughts on a perfume. So the next thing is the Gold Fade-In MD Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. This looks like just a clarifying mask. I'm not sure. The one thing that drives me nuts, though, is that they spelled blemish wrong on the packaging. I don't know how that happened. I don't think I've ever seen a makeup or beauty product that had something like, you know. But anyways, that's like just me being, you know. But I would give this a try because I like clarifying masks, and I had the one from Derma E. It was like a charcoal type of mask and worked really good. So I'm curious to try some more vegan and cruelty-free ones because I really liked the Glam Glow one, but they're not cruelty-free. And then we got the Moon Anna Rose Hydrating Rose Toner. So I don't typically use a toner. I have been recently though, like before didn't use them, but I've been using the Pacifica Glow Tonic, or not the Pacifica, gosh, my brain is not here today. The Pixie Glow Tonic. So I would be curious to give this a try. If it has rose in it, which it doesn't have the ingredients on the bottle, but rose helps with like acne scars, stuff like that, reducing inflammation. So this might be a good one to test out. By the way, I always forget the prices on this stuff. So the perfumery, this is worth $5. The full size is $35, which is not bad for a perfume if you like the scent. And this one, this mini is $20. The full size is $65. And then the toner, this is $7. The full size is $65. So hopefully I don't like this too much. The next thing is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Cleansing Bar. So I've seen this like even before I was vegan and wanted to try it. It smells really good. It is $3. The full size is $12. This would be a good travel size. I think what I would do if I travel next is just cut in half my Lush shampoo bar and then put this in the tin next to it so that I have my shampoo and body stuff all together so I don't have to bring so much liquid. Let me show you what this looks like. It just looks like a bar of soap, but in case you're curious. Like, that's it. I'm sure the full size has like a stamp or something in it, you know. And then the last thing, if you've seen my channel for any length of time, if you've noticed, this is the Clove and Hallow Lip Glaze. It says, this thing, like, made me angry. It says, this PETA certified lip glaze will make you a lip gloss convert. The intensely hydrating formula offers a dazzling finish without stickiness. I doubt anything is going to make me a lip gloss convert. I hate lip gloss with a burning passion. I would never buy it. This is an interesting packaging. Is it like a click pin? Wait, where do you open it at? I am so confused. Oh. Oh. It's even one of these click pins. This is like, if I had to choose, like if I was forced to choose a lip gloss and I had one of these click pens versus a doe foot, I would pick the doe foot because this, oh no, no. So I will not be using this. I hate lip gloss. No thanks. So other than that, I think I got some good stuff in here. I'm definitely going to try out this soap bar and the mask and the toner, which I like getting these Petit Vour boxes because it gives you mini sizes, and like even when I finish this toner, I can refill it with like my Pixie Glow tonic or whatever, and it's in like this little spray bottle, which is super convenient. I don't know. I mean, I've been thinking kind of that I want to cancel it. I'll wait and see what next month, because I'm sure they've already charged me for next month, but yeah, I'm just waiting to see how that goes, because I've said this before, but subscription boxes are only good if you're getting stuff that you wanted to try or that you'd be interested in trying, but then once you start getting stuff that you would not try, you wouldn't use on your own, like this lip gloss and the perfume and stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I'll see. I think the next month, I'll decide next month how I feel about it, if I want to keep going or if I want to stop with it, because I don't know. I just haven't used a lot of the products that I've gotten, and I kind of figured that would happen. So I think I'll get one more box, and then after that I'll be done. Or if I get a lot of good stuff next month, it might encourage me to keep going with it. But if you get this box, let me know what you think also, or what you think about subscription boxes in general. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful, if you want to see these more. And next month I will update on these products from last month and this month. So I will see you then. Bye.